What is up, baby loves? What is up, baby loves? What is up? What is up? What is up, you guys? I'm back with another video. As you guys can see, I already started on my brows. I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Brow Wiz in the color dark brown just to outline them a little bit. And then I also went in with the e.l.f. Brow cream in the color Espresso, and to conceal them with LA Pro Grow Conceal in the color Fawn. You guys know this is my favorite. This is actually my go-to. And then I also went in with the Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand, which looks like this. This is the Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand. Yeah, I don't know what look we're going to do today, but we're gonna figure it out together. I'm just gonna add some more of the Tan Sand concealer to my eyelids and blend it out, and then I'm gonna set it with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Real big, real big. And I'm gonna use what's left over on this brush from my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to pat this on my eye. We're just gonna go ahead and take this color from the Jaclyn nail palette. I don't know the name. I want to say Pool Party or Jada. Pool Party or Jada, but I think it's Pool Party, but it's like a teal blue color. The Morphe 35B palette. This looks like this. And we're gonna take this dark blue shade right here. I'm gonna take the teal color and blend out any harsh lines. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the color NW15, which looks like this.